Kuay Teow Reua, boat noodles. Recipe. Ingredients. Broth. 1.5 liters beef or pork broth. 200 grams beef or pork, thinly sliced. 200 grams beef or pork meatballs. 3 to 4 cloves garlic, minced. 2 to 3 star anise. 1 cinnamon stick. 3 to 4 slices galangal. 2 to 3 pieces of dried coriander root, or use coriander stalks. 2 to 3 kaffir lime leaves. 1 tablespoon dark soy sauce. 2 tablespoons light soy sauce. 2 tablespoons fish sauce. 1 to 2 tablespoons sugar, palm sugar preferred. 1 teaspoon black peppercorns. 1 teaspoon salt. 1 tablespoon vegetable oil. 2 to 3 cups water, adjust as needed. Noodles and garnishes.
300 grams rice noodles. Sen lekkoer sen yai.
Bean sprouts. Water spinach, morning glory, chopped. Fresh coriander, chopped. Green onions, chopped. Thai basil leaves. Lime wedges. Condiments. Crushed peanuts. Chili flakes. Sugar. Vinegar with chopped chilies. Fish sauce. Instructions. Prepare the broth. Heat the vegetable oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add the minced garlic and sauté until fragrant. Add the star anise, cinnamon stick, galangal, coriander root, kaffir lime leaves, and black peppercorns. Stir and cook for a minute. Add the beef or pork broth, dark soy sauce, light soy sauce, fish sauce, sugar, and salt. Bring to a boil. Add the sliced beef or pork and meatballs. Reduce the heat and let it simmer for at least 30 minutes to allow the flavors to meld together. Cook the noodles. Cook the rice noodles according to the package instructions. Drain and set aside. Assemble the noodles. In a serving bowl, place a portion of cooked noodles. Add some bean sprouts and chopped water spinach. Pour the hot broth with slices of meat and meatballs over the noodles and vegetables. Garnish. Top with fresh coriander, green onions, Thai basil leaves, and a lime wedge. Serve with condiments on the side so each person can adjust the flavor to their liking. Tips. For a more authentic taste, you can add a splash of pig's blood to the broth just before serving. This is optional and may not be suitable for everyone. Adjust the seasoning of the broth according to your taste. If you prefer it sweeter, add more sugar. If you like it saltier, add more fish sauce. Enjoy your homemade Kuay Teow Reua. Kuay Teow Reua, boat noodles. Kuay Teow Reua, also known as boat noodles, is a popular Thai dish that originated from the floating markets of Thailand. These markets were a hub for trade and commerce, where vendors sold various goods directly from their boats. The narrow boats were perfect for navigating the small canals and waterways, making it convenient for people to buy and sell food. History and origin. Floating markets. The concept of boat noodles began in the 1940s at the floating markets in Bangkok and surrounding areas. Vendors would prepare and serve noodles directly from their boats to customers on the banks or in other boats. Compact servings. Originally, the servings were small and meant to be eaten quickly and easily while standing or sitting by the canal, often involving multiple bowls to make a full meal. Key features. Broth. The broth is typically rich and dark, made with a combination of beef or pork, and flavored with spices such as cinnamon, star anise, and soy sauce. It often includes a splash of pig's blood, which thickens the broth and enhances its flavor. Noodles. The dish usually features rice noodles, which can vary in thickness. Protein. It includes thinly sliced meat, beef or pork, and meatballs. Sometimes, offal like liver and intestines are also added. Vegetables and herbs. Common additions include bean sprouts, water spinach, morning glory, fresh coriander, green onions, and Thai basil. Condiments. Boat noodles are often served with a variety of condiments, such as crushed peanuts, chili flakes, sugar, vinegar with chopped chilies, and fish sauce, allowing each diner to customize the flavor to their liking. Cultural significance. Communal eating. Boat noodles are often enjoyed in a communal setting, with friends or family sharing multiple small bowls. This way of eating emphasizes the social aspect of dining in Thai culture. Street food staple. Today, while the floating markets still exist, boat noodles have become a staple of Thai street food culture. They are widely available at noodle shops and street stalls across Thailand. Modern adaptations. Restaurants and food courts. Many restaurants and food courts in Thailand and abroad have adopted the concept of boat noodles, offering them in larger portions suitable for a sit-down meal. Variations. There are numerous variations of boat noodles, with some places offering chicken or seafood versions, and others experimenting with different broths and toppings to cater to diverse tastes. Boat noodles remain a beloved part of Thai cuisine, cherished for their robust flavor and rich history.